everybody, it's me, Rachel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the MILANI Gilded Getaway eyeshadow palette. You can get this at milani.com. So here on the back, I'll tell you what it has a cute little saying. It says, "Get out of town, gorgeous, with earthy neutrals paired with shades of sunset. Camping goes luxe and undeniably gilded." So that's what this is. I have, on my eyes today, I have, Chillax, I forgot what the name was, A-Frame, I have Campfire, I have Succulent, and I have Tremendous and Oasis on my lid today. Oh, and I mixed Happy Camper and Vacay Goals. I mixed these two together. So I tried to use as many as I could on my lid today. I've used this a couple times, and the shades I played with the most are Chillax, A-Frame, Campfire, Oasis, More Fun, and Kindle, because those are the ones that are kind of speaking to me a lot lately. And I used Good Vibes Only a little bit, but those are the ones I played with the most so far. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them, and we'll go from there. So they are all very, very smooth shades. I have not had much fallout with using most of them. The only one I have not touched is Under the Stars, and I just haven't had a reason to use that in a look, but it's not a bad shade. I have swatched it before, but just not had reason to use it, if you know what I mean. So here are the swatches of the palette. They came out really, really well. This shade right here. So as you can see, the swatches, they are really, really great. The shade that I've had the most fallout with so far are Tremendous and Campfire. But those are the ones that I like. This one, Campfire, I used a big fluffy brush, and Tremendous, I used it as a liner, and that can tend to have a lot of fallout because it doesn't have much place to go. So with that, I would say this could be an actual really good neutral palette to have in your collection. And the reason I say that because it's not a super mainstream neutral palette, but it can be definitely used as a neutral palette. You can blend a lot of these shades out to be just subtle. You can make this work in a lot of different ways. It's definitely a unique palette, I would say, to me. I would definitely recommend it because it's unique, because look at the packaging. I haven't bought a lot of things because of packaging, because like I just don't have a, I mean, like, come on, who really has, I don't know, that's just me. I just don't have a reason to do that. I'll go ahead and wash the swatches off my arm real quick before they get everywhere. That is quite kind of pricey for a 12-pan eyeshadow palette for something that's considered drugstore, but at the same time, it's not that bad, I would say. Because the quality is actually pretty up there. It's actually really great. Like they're not chalky. They're nice and buttery. They come out with, every look that I've made with this, I've loved it. So I would highly recommend this, and on the palette scale, I would give it probably a 8 out of 10 based on the fact that it's more readily available. You can, I don't believe you can still get it at Ulta, but I don't know if it's like is now, and now it's like everywhere or whatever. But when I went to Ulta's, the store, I did not see it. So, but I would say you can get it on Milani's website. And then I also got a eye cream, and I got a mini blush. I got a like tinted moisturizer. This is the Hydrated Skin Tint from Milani. So I did get quite a bit of things, and then you got like a discount because of like email or whatever. Not that it really makes a difference for me, but the tutorial for this will be up after this video. I did use it today. I did film a tutorial with it. If you want to see that, you or more than please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. And so I really don't have much else to say. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Here is it up close. I will say I am partial because I'm just really excited about the packaging. It is something that I will keep forever. I will stop using it eventually, but it will be something that will be like a vintage thing to me. And especially, come on, look at it, it's already basically vintage anyway. So yeah, I will link this palette down below. This is a short and sweet review. I'm not really sure what to say with these sweet reviews. So go ahead and pick this up if you were on the fence. I would say stop being on the fence and go get it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please subscribe for more sweet reviews like this, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.